Welcome to our channel where today we'll walk you through the simplest way to fix your members' First Federal Credit Union access problems. Welcome to our channel where today we'll walk you through the simplest way to fix your members' First Federal Credit Union access problems. Many users face access or login difficulties with their members' First Federal Credit Union accounts. But don't worry, this guide will help you resolve those issues step by step. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection, because a weak or unstable network can cause access problems. Next, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can conflict and block your login attempts. To clear your cache, go to your browser's settings, find the privacy or history section, and select clear browsing data. After this, try logging in again. If you are using the members' First FCU mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can create bugs and prevent proper access. Head over to your device's App Store, Google Play or Apple Store, and see if there's an update available. If update the app and try logging in again. If your access problem still persists, the next step is to reset your password. Often forgotten or compromised passwords result in access denial. Visit the members' First FCU login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address or username and follow the instructions sent via email to set a new password. Use a strong and unique password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After resetting your password, if you still can't access your account, check if the credit union website is under maintenance or experiencing server issues. You can check this by visiting their official social media pages or calling their customer service. If there are ongoing issues, you will need to wait for them to resolve it. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out directly to members' First Federal Credit Union customer support. They offer dedicated assistance for account access issues. The support team can guide you through additional troubleshooting or help restore your account access. Remember to have your personal information ready for verification purposes. Following these simple steps will typically resolve your access problems quickly and efficiently. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides like this.